Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to find or check a Gmail account by phone number or mobile number, or find all Gmail account by phone number or mobile number. If you want to find out your Gmail ID by mobile number, or you can see how many Gmail accounts on your phone number or mobile number. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you must remember the first name and last name you gave in your lost email ID or Gmail ID. So first of all, go to your Gmail. You can see Gmail. So in this time you can choose and open your Gmail. This is my another Gmail account, and in this you can easily find or check your all Gmail account or Gmail ID or Google account by phone number or mobile number. So let's see. After that, right top corner, click here. After you can see add another account, so click on it, add another account. After that, choose and open Google. So in this time you can choose and select forgot email, click here. Find your email, enter your phone number or recovery email. So in this here you can write your mobile number or phone number, or write or type your Gmail account or email account recovery email. So in this time I can type or write my phone number. After that, choose next, click on it. What's your name? Enter the name on your Google account. After that you can see first name and then last name. You must remember the first name and last name you gave in your lost Gmail ID or email ID. So in this here you can write your Gmail ID first name. After that, write last name. You can see in this time I can write my Gmail ID first name. After that, write last name. After that you can choose next option, click here. You can see in this way I can easily find or check my Gmail account or Google account by phone number or mobile number. So in this way you can easily find or check your all Gmail account by your phone number or mobile number. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.